Hello everyone, this is Entomology back with episode 5 of Pinsect. Today we are going to be pinning Blaps lusitanica specimen, which I collected in Spain. The good thing with such a big beetle like this is that you can easily pull on the legs without fear of them breaking off. Whilst I was pinning this, the beetle smelled very bad, and that was a combination of the rotting, which I should have taken care of by removing its guts, but also because this type of beetle is part of a group of beetles called cellar beetles, which can release foul-smelling chemicals and smells in order to deter predators from eating them. So, it smelled quite bad, and I was not a fan of it. Thank you for watching another episode of Pinsect. If you enjoyed and or learned something new, be sure to subscribe and click the bell icon so you never miss an episode. It would also be greatly appreciated if you could like, comment and share this video. See you next time for another episode of Pinsect.